Alrighty, what's up? Hopped out of the shower and found out we're in a severe thunderstorm warning. That's some real nice stuff. Gotta get the GoPro rolling with that time lapse you guys will see right after this. So yeah, let's get right into that. Alright guys, as an update to this, power just went out, lights. Lights out. So yeah, what up boys? It's your boy, Spencer C. Fishing. Back with another video. And today, we're going to find out if fishing the next morning after severe thunderstorm warning is good or not. So we're going to this new pond that I've never been to that people say is always really fire. So, see how it is. Got one. No, second cast. They're long. There's so much goose poop over here. This guy's long. He can stop flopping anytime soon.
He got his first fish on the second cast. He got the big one.
First fish of the day.
That's like a pounder.
Yeah. Second cast. Using my black and blue chatterbait, the use. This pond is not as juicy as I thought it would be, Mason.
No, today's not very good at all. I told you, got it. Oh, wow. This is the smallest fish I've caught by far at this pond.
Did it follow it the entire way?
No, let me see what they're looking for. What?
What?
The guy's hooked.
What the?
There we go. There's first fish. That's the smallest one by far I've caught here at this pond. But there he goes.
Just put them on the bait. What? Serious?
There we go. Look at that.
What? That one's decent. Mason literally flipped it in the weeds. Am I recording? Yes, I'm tying on a frog. And Mason literally flipped it in the weeds right there.
Woo. That's like a
Yeah, about.
Ouch, ouch, no. Oh, my reel just got soaked.
Oh.
I had another one for sure.
Yeah, I'm gonna cast.
Nice cast.
Bird's nice first cast.
Looks like that one right here.
There we go. Got one.
On the frog. Oh,
It came off. Dang, you see that jump?
Yeah, I saw it.
That was dope.
Right
Oh, money.
Right when I get blown up, I'm always like, oh my god, I get sent to right away. But now I've gotten better, waiting. Oh wait, no, he didn't get it. That was big. Dude.
I'm on a gosh darn weeds.
You got one.
I thought that was a catfish for a second. Dang. What is that, third cast? Square bill crankbait?
You caught like everything right when you switch on.
Yeah, second cast. I fished with my thing for about an hour.
Hello. Hello? 5 minutes.
It came, oh, I still have it.
What? Right now? Are we going today?
As Mason's calling his sister.
Fishing.
For watching the video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe for more content like this. And as you guys can tell, I mean, fishing after a thunderstorm today wasn't very good, but you know, that doesn't mean it isn't good at different places. It could just been the pond or whatever. I was really hyped because that first fish I caught that in the first, it was the second cast of being there, so I'm like, oh, this is gonna be super good. And I only caught like 3 fish or whatever, but you know, yeah, so make sure you like, comment, subscribe for more content like this. I'll see you guys later. Sorry guys, I forgot to add, but I'm so sorry that this video was so short today. You know, I just couldn't get on the fish, so that's why most of Mason's fish are in this video. But you know, he caught a pretty decent one, which I mean, with flipping a bait under all the weeds and stuff. But yeah,